G'day, I'm Matt Broughan. We operate a irrigation business called Liquid Action out of Blenheim, and we do a lot of viticultural irrigation and all sorts of other things around Marlborough. The reason we wanted to build the shed was because we have a lot of equipment up in Renwick which is quite seasonal, so it comes and goes, and we need to remove it and get it off-site up in Renwick because our yard's quite small. So we wanted to build a decent sized shed down in Marina where we could keep our equipment so that we could take it up when we needed it. In terms of the build process, it was absolutely amazing. It's so easy. People from Alpine were really easy to deal with right from the start. Plans came back to us really quickly, and when we wanted changes done, they changed things until we got it dead right. Then we made the order and the equipment, put them on a pretty tight time frame for delivery, and we made the order and away they went. It turned up on time, really easy to build. There was no problems, there was nothing really missing. The plans were great, everything was just really simple. The reason we separated the shed out into two components is because we wanted to be able to store equipment from Liquid Action in the shed, along with a couple of wee toys as well. And then on the other side of the shed we wanted it for a workshop for me to help the kids learn to weld and work on go-karts in the local kart club. And hold the old shed night, bits and pieces, and also along with the odd party and 50ths and bits and pieces like that, which I recently had. Kane Arthur, the builder, absolutely loved building the shed, and we didn't really need a whole lot of extra labour. There was probably at times 2 on site, if not 3 every now and then. He found the plans really easy to work off. There were very few problems with setting it up. It was just such an easy build. Everything went together on time and everything was there. It was really simple. So the design isn't out of the box. We had to liaise with Alpine about what we wanted, and so we wanted it to be 20 metres deep so that we could put 3 6-metre vehicles in, plus have room at the back to have a storage shelf or pallet racking. And we wanted it to be cut into 3 bays and then a wall and then 2 bays for a workshop. And so we needed an internal zinc loom wall. They were able to accommodate all that, no problem at all, and came back with the designs really rapidly. Some of the features that really impressed me are the fact that there is no hip beams on the outsides, so therefore we're able to put our pallet racking hard up against the wall and not be impeded by hip beams stopping bins and things hitting them. Also no birds, there's no bird intrusion inside. They fly in, have a look around, can't find anything to roost on, so they fly out again. It's very quiet, there's not a whole lot of creaking and groaning as things heat up and cool down outside. You can quite often be inside when there's plenty of wind outside and probably a bit of a storm blowing really, and it's very quiet and doors aren't really rattling too much. Everything's just as it should be. It's a really solid shed. The reason why I really like the wooden shed is the fact it just has a bit of a warmer ambience inside. We decided to line it as well with paper, which has brightened it up. It's just a warm product. It's a nice place to be. It's not a big industrial shed, it's actually a nice place to be, and people are really impressed when they come in. And we took a bit of extra time to plane edges on all the timber and do those little things that make it look nice. So we're really happy with it.